Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add transitions into your video project in DaVinci Resolve. So let's check out what we can do. So what we want to do is make sure that we've got the two clips that we would like to add the transition to in our timeline, making sure also that we're on the edit tab at the bottom over here. And from here, you want to make sure just above your timeline, there is this symbol selected. It's the trim edit mode. Now, once you select this, it'll turn red. And what you want to do is make sure that your cursor is going over the transitions of the two clips. So we're going to click like that, and that's what it will look like. It'll have a red lining on each one of the clips. You're going to go up to your menu right at the top on timeline, and you can click on add transition. Now the shortcut for this is Control T. You will see this pop up, right? So what you're going to do here is just tap on trim clips. That's fine. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to add a transition. Let us just use Alt and our mouse wheel and let us zoom in to our transition. Let's have a look at what's going on here. So by default, it is put on a cross dissolve. So what we can do on the top right hand side, if you click on inspect, you can go over and click on transition over here, and here you can define all the properties of the transition. Now, if you don't want to get too complicated on the actual timeline, making sure that you have the select button over here selected, you can actually just click down like this and like change the duration of the transition. But if you're going up over here, you can change pretty much everything else. If you want to change the length in duration or seconds, you can also change the actual transition type. So there's tons of different transitions to choose from. You can also change the alignment, the preset. You can give it an offset. You can change its aspect ratio, rotation, border, color, absolutely everything. When you're coming down to audio, you can also change the properties of the audio transition so that it is a smooth transition. And once you are done, you can have something that looks like this. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and jump onto our channel. We've got tons of DaVinci Resolve videos to help you. We'll see you over there, people. Peace out.